So this is some reclaim that has been left out by accident and has gone a bit too hard. I left it out over Christmas and you can see it's really quite solid. There's two of them. So I'm going to rehydrate it, add water back into it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my chopstick and I'm going to poke loads of holes all over the surface, like literally loads. Then I'm gonna add some water, put it in a bag and leave it overnight, and tomorrow hopefully it should be nice and rehydrated. So here it is. I'm gonna just add a tiny bit of water, not too much, and then move it around so the water goes into all the holes. Put it in this bag. I can't do it with one hand, I'll do it with two hands in a minute, and then seal it up, and tomorrow it should be nicely squishy again. It'll need wedging really, really well. I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow. Clay from yesterday, taken it out of the bag, I've just wedged it a little bit, and as you can see it's just so much softer than it was yesterday. Just need to wedge this for like 10 minutes and then it'll be ready to use. Whew.
If you found this video helpful, check out my Pottery Club, where you'll get detailed tutorials, tips, tricks and loads of recommendations, as well as a supportive community. The link is below this video.